Jai Shri Krishna. Today I will show about the power plant overview. This is a generator 1 and 2, and this is a transformer 11,000 volts transformer. 4 number of transformer. Two number of DG generator, diesel operated generator. This is the control panel. This is a oil level indicator. The oil is full in 80%. About 80%. Tank 1 and tank 2. This oil is 750. 750 liters. This one is 800 liter. This is an instrument air compressor. And the maintenance chart schedule, starting procedure are here. This is a air receiver tank. There is a auto drain valve, drained at 10 seconds. This is a pressure gauge of storage tank. 7.247 kg. The auto drain valve operates simultaneously 10 seconds for the period of 5 seconds. For the draining of moisture. This is a output line. Now the compressor one is off. That means the valve is off. Compressor 2 is running. That means the valve is on. Valve is in line. Maintenance schedule. Compressor description. This is a industrial brand company heater treater. This one is off condition and this is a running condition. On indication and LED is running. Emergency switch. This is an extra air compressor and storage tank below. This is operating panel. This is the process line diagram and this is temperature controller. This is a transformer panel, capacitor charge, capacitor storage bank 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and control panel and power factor correction panel, transformer 1, 2, 3, 4. Incoming and outgoing. This is a oil cooler cum separator, separation unit or filtering unit for TG oil. Centrifugal pump and operation. This is centrifuge. This is suction line minus 8 kg, 8 bar. and this is the temperature gauge 50 degrees Celsius. This is temperature transmitter, and this is also a temperature showing 46 degrees Celsius. This is a solenoid valve operated switch SOV. Select Flexi Panel TX4. एमीटर है, कंट्रोल सप्लाई ऑन है, अलार्म है, इमरजेंसी स्टॉप है, मेन स्विच ऑन ऑफ है, दरवाजा ओपन क्लोज है, अल्फा लावा ऑयल प्यूरिफिकेशन सिस्टम. This is the TG outlet system and this is a temperature control system for the outlet temperature. If outlet temperature high, the BFP suction is here and the control valve is here. That's the pass the water into the steam line. This is Siemens positioner for automatic operation. NGR panel 10 megawatt. This line is TG outlet steam line. The top control valve is for drain at pressure control valve, and this temperature element is for the temperature of exhaust temperature in TG. This is a pressure gauge about 3.6 kg. This too is safety valve for the high pressure tripping or adjusting the line or saving the coolant. This is a oil cooler system and oil vapor extraction system of TG oil. There is a local start stop push button. This pipeline is for main steam inlet line for the TG inlet. This is inlet line. These two valve are isolation valve or main steam inlet line. Two number of air compressor for service air 5.3 bar 81 degrees Celsius. Valve is on, that means the service. Both compressors are running 5.4 and 3 bar 80 degrees Celsius. This is the final air output line and the regulator with pressure switch and pressure gauge. Column 1, 2, 3 and 4 is for the base of trans generator and the top column. Saturated steam and water drain line. BFP 150 mm 25 mm WC differential pressure. Suction pressure 3 and 3.2 kg. Balancing pressure 3.6 kg. Suction pressure 2.6 kg. और discharge pressure है 75 kg. This is a boiler section and I am in now the boiler drum level position. This is a boiler drum and this is final output steam. This is a MOV, main steam control valve. MOV, motor operated valve, and this is the main steam control valve. And there is a manual vane point control main valve, seat angle valve, manual point, and this is the vent point, vent control valve. This is pneumatic, and this is the I2P. The exhaust is in the top side. Motor main steam stop valve LPBS. Motor integral bypass joint at MSSB LPBS. And this is the final temperature outlet, temperature element, and the showing for 77 degree Celsius. And the temperature transmitter is 202. Now the vent is in open condition. Give the command and venting is going on. 1%, 2%. This is the feedback element. This is feedback element and this is the I2P. And exhaust is in outside. Vent is now closed, going closed. Point 1, point 2, point 3, point 5, point 6, the closing command, opening command. This is the header, steam header line. And 2 pipe are downcomer. Main steam pressure transmitter 72 kg. This line is for feeding the BFP outlet, for feeding the boiler drum. Two lines are downcomer 1 and 2. This is the drum specification. This is gas glass and this is the coal feeding station. Very dirty station. This is the temperature element of superheater. Temperature element 201. This is conveyor belt and bunker and the storage silo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 are not feeding. 3 and 4 are feeding at that time because the pole is going in this direction and in this direction. There is an operator who is watching the feeding by manually. Deaerator outlet, drum inlet, steam temperature indicator in instrument, temperature element that shows on 25 and 30 degrees Celsius. Final outlet header and the final outlet line of main steam, superheated steam and paired dish system. This is the paired dish control valve. This is the paired dish outlet temperature indicator instrument, temperature element thermocouple, and this is the control valve for Marshall. And there is the I2P. Now this is in fully closed position. When it opened, that indication wheel goes up and down. This is the local temperature gauge and pressure gauge. The temperature gauge is fully damaged. Not damaged. It is not running condition. That is not damaged. The indication of temperature gauge is okay. 35 degrees Celsius ambient temperature. This is a LRSB start and emergency stop, and this is shoot blowing, long redundant shoot blowing station. The short form is LRSB. Main steam line pressure 68.45 kg. Pressure transmitter at shoot blower line 0.29 kg. That means the shoot blowing is not in condition, running condition. Shoot blower pressure transmitter shows only when it operates and showing the result of 18 or 10 or 15 kg below. That's it. This is a bed material conveying belt and the motor, and this is the silo of bed metal storage. This one is number 2 LRSB, long redundant shoot blower, that is superheater line. This is 2 number and the top one is 1 number. Bed metal come in this way and drop the silo. Local start push button, bucket elevator motor LPBS. This motor and the gearbox and the chain and pulley system for reducing the speed. This is a drum level transmitter LT 201, 50%. System drum LT2 level transmitter to 51.9%. Left side, this is on the right side, and before it was left side. The feeding is going on, very dusty. When the LRB is in running condition, then the this pipe moves left to right side and rotate clockwise, then return it rotates anti-clockwise. This zone is final superheater outlet zone. That's why the ash is stored and on the pipe plate or other side. To cleaning this ash, we need the blowing system, shoot blowing system. I am in the side of silo bunker, coal bunker and the boiler. furnace. This is the flue gas outlet light, economizer zone, and this is air preheater zone. This temperature element for air preheater inlet zone. Pressure, gas pressure, flue gas pressure at furnace. That's mean -6 to 5.5 mmWc. Temperature element, pressure element 309. That the tapping point is taken here. This is FD fan discharge line and furnace input line, air pressure 50 mmWc. POWEE bro. And this is the flue gas inlet outlet temperature furnace. This is the FD header line, and this is the motor and gear system for the feeding of bed material. This is the bed material storage silo, and this is the draining process, and this is a chain pulley conveyor system. Fire protection system. Locally stop push button, start stop push button. Inlet and outlet. This is CVD line. This is a boiler discharge, BFP discharge line, and the feed control valve 1 and 2. Both are connected main and bypass and spiral. This one is main and this one is bypass. All are connected to the I2P. And there is also a valve for follow down. These are furnace pressure draft gauge, mmWc 20 mmWc 20. This one is 40 50. This one varies from 200 to 260. These are furnace days, furnace draft base cum switch 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 point, and this is the these two gauges are main steam pressure gauge 70 kg. This one is main steam pressure 768 kg, and this one is feed pump pressure 75 kg. This one is feed steam 1610 mmWc. That's mean 45 ton per hour. These 6 are vacuum transmitter, air compressor 119.08 mmWc. Transmitter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 120, 433, 432, 429, 428. These are the local push button for feeding the coal and hux. This manual start and stop push button. 10 number of feeding station and 10 number of push button are there for start and stop. A header transmitter 1279 mmWc. This zone is economizer zone. And this zone is air preheater zone. And this is zone of ESP. The feed water line comes in this line and goes in the economizer zone. This is the header, feed water header, and the tube is in horizontal condition. Header inlet and header outlet is in the top section. In top section, header is outlet, and this pipe is economizer outlet side. There is a header and goes to the boiler drum. This is the temperature limiter of economizer inlet side, and this is temperature gauge and pressure gauge. And this is the flue gas pressure at economizer zone DT 301 30 mmW H2O. स्वच्छता के रखे ध्यान तभी बढ़ेगा देश महान. तो हो रहा है स्वच्छता अभियान. बेड मटेरियल टेम्परेचर ट्रांसमीटर एलिमेंट. This is the FD header and FD header control valve for the air inlet in the furnace low side. This is the temperature element. That's a bed temperature element. Compartment 1 number element and 2 number element. Every compartment there is a 2 number of element on left side on this right side. And this is for drain. Open command. Airbox open command. Airbox is the pressure is high, then this is goes to command from this is and drain the air in this line. Now this is in open condition. Plate is in open. Heat is coming. Open line. Total 5 compartment, 5 SOV operated damper valve and drain valve. Rotex. Now yellow, that's in open condition, red for closed condition. And physically this is open. Stem is in open condition. Economizer 1 main and 2 master and slab as control valve. Drainage system. Dome valve with timer operation. 6-7 open valve, 8-second air purging, and cycle is in 50 seconds. vibrator screen motor local push button switch. This is your big size draining. This is the proper size inlet and this is the small size outlet. Bed draining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 compartment 10, 10 manual 10. When the sealer is in opening, then the pressure is drops to 0. At all conditions, sealer will be pressure at 4 or 5 kg. Vessel pressure will be 0 nearby 0. This is master vessel. Stop, start, local parts. System is on. Probe override. In circuit or bypass. This is air regulator. Outlet system. Power supply for SOB. Air supply inlet, air supply outlet for cylinder. For the opening of cylinder, open and close. This is the water line, outlet line. This is seal pressure, this is vessel pressure. These are connected to in the gauge. This is outlet 1, outlet 2, outlet 3. And this is the purging of 1, 2. This is a seat angle valve for air purging. And this is the limit switch. Seal purging. Cold water inlet sign 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 cold water inlet. This is the level switch. Lepcon Instrument Private Limited. These two are in series condition. And there is a vibration. This is a vibrator that makes the huge sound. And gets the power from this source. When this is open, that's the time the vibrator is on. At a time, 2 vibrator will be on. These 2. Economizer and APH. APH zone is very air silo 5.2 kg and is moisture, so need draining. Auto drain valve is not running. This is a pressure transmitter of storage air tank. These 2 drain valve, dome valve are in series. This is the air preheated zone. The ash collection is very high, so timing is 45 seconds. Inlet time 6 seconds, purging time 8 seconds. Purging start. The height worker are very critical. They do not follow the safety rule. They use the safety belt but do not use it. proper anchoring or not proper connection or not disgusting, not are able to work in industry. Gas is going in atmosphere air. This is run again at 45 seconds. This red port is out, that means the purging is completed. In field, when dome valve open, fully open, at that time vibration goes on. That means this vibration goes on. The close and the vibration goes off. Now the conveying is in progress. Conveying completed. This conveying cycle is 45 seconds because the air preheater zone air is collected very high. In economizer zone air is collected very low, and the ESP zone air is collected first and second compartment is very high, again third and fourth compartment is very low. These two are connected in series. Dome valves are there. Water cooling for sealing is outlet line here. This is on condition. When dome valve is fully on, then the air pressure goes to switch and the SOB on, the air purging or vibration is on. When purging completed after 8 seconds, that was closed. There is a leakage. And there is a level switch. Two numbers are connected in parallel. This is the airline input, service air inlet, and purging with ash goes to the pipeline, and after that it goes to the silo 1 and 2. After 45 seconds the cycle is again on. That means this one. Vibration both are running. Water line, AS line, both are hot. This point was broken, that's why the line is off. Otherwise there will be a water inlet line. Two FT fan, this is FT fan damper 1 and 2. Or inlet air inlet, and this is operated by I2P and with a feedback switch open and close. The I2P is very important to open the percentage, or it is need to a smart positioner for the opening the percentage. The FD fan discharge goes to every header and air preheater to heat the air and release the moisture from the air for the good combustion of the fuel. Economizer run. Purging is run. There is a oxygen sensor transmitter. It shows 6.7%, and this is a pressure indicator cum level gauge for the showing of pressure in vacuum of furnace. Now it's showing 20 mm. vacuum, 20 mm vacuum. This oxygen transmitter is echo cover make and the probe is in here. Echo cover probe here. So APA is inlet and outlet temperature element are there. Economizer outlet temperature and at that side APA is outlet temperature. This is a PA fan for the coal carrying process. The suction line of PA fan is FD fan discharge line. And there is a PA header. This is PA header. ESP zone vessel 1 and vessel 2, 3 and 4 are connected series. 3 and 4 are connected in series. This has goes in this pipeline for the bunker 1 and 2. This has comes to our bunker 1 and the APA is here bunker number 2, and this is the point of gas filling in the lorry with the spraying of water, and there is a conveyor belt. This is the cover part of nut and rice, and this is the husk. That is the main fuel of that power plant, and coal is for auxiliary source. This part is mainly purpose for the fuel burning, and this is a store, big store, a storing system. And there is a down hopper. This is the PA fan and this is PA general gate 2, 4, 5. This is damper, general gate control damper. One is of 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5 number are in running condition. This is a condensate storage tank and a condensate pump with two number of levels is low and high. This side is husk storage and that side there is a cold storage. This is deaerator and upper is deaerator and niche lower is deaerator storage tank or feed tank. This is HP dosing pump 1 and 2 and so is 75 kg in discharge pressure. This dosing is going in the boiler drum. This is HP dosing and this is LP dosing. Level is 54% and the pressure is in 8 to 5 kg. One is running, one is standby. This is a feed control valve for the maintenance of aerator level at 50%. The specification of that control valve is here given. Now the level is in 10% opening. This is I2P, Forbes Marshall I2P with oil fill. This is the inlet pressure temperature gauge at 36 degrees Celsius, and this is the level transmitter or 001 for aerator level. Aerator storage tank level 65.02% है. This valve is pressure reducing valve, pressure reducing control valve that reduces the pressure of main steam to drain the condensate part, and this is the control valve for temperature reducing valve. This is the specification, and this is the I2P. This is the local gauge, and this is the pressure transmitter after pressure reducing. It shows 3.7 kg, that is draining for the maintenance of the pressure 70 kg in the turbine inlet. This outgoing pressure line is going in process line, and the final outlet of TG is going in process line. This is the temperature number of TT temperature transmitter TT204, shows on 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature element is inside the pipeline. This is main steam outlet, and this is a line for pressure reducing line, and this is outgoing, and the reduced pressure is going in this way for the process line. This line comes in this line and move to this position. This temperature pressure transmitter is 205. And this is feed control valve, main feed control valve near the aerator, and this is bypass line, and this is main line, and there is I2P. This is the feedback element. I2P here, feedback here. This is the manual hand wheel for opening and closing that valve if the automation or control valve is in fail condition. This is the aerator storage tank level gauge. This is the pressure transmitter of aerator, 1 kg, PT001, 1.75 kg. This is the pressure of steam in aerator. This is the drain valve. For aerator cleaning process, we need the aeration cleaning in this valve. SOB operated valve है, globe valve. The construction of that valve is globe valve. Now this is closed condition. This is the root valve of main steam flow line. This is high pressure line and this one is low pressure line. There is a orifice plate at that line. This is a pressure port line for pressure transmitter of deaerator outlet, and this is the deaerator outlet temperature element, thermocouple. This is the isolation valve of deaeration outlet. That means this is the BFP suction line. BFP suction line is on, and at the BFP there is a parallel with Y connector, that is 2. For 2 BFP, 2 parallel line. Outlet is on here and the connection is in 2 parallel. This is central AC for control room. Now I will go in control room. Daikin. The top pipe are for vent of the steam. The top pipe is filled with steam that condenses, makes it water, and that comes time to time water spray. There is a stack. And this room is for power control room, PCC, and there is a grain storage tank 1, 2 and 3. This is the output line of DG exhaust. This is drain husk shed and coal bunker shed. Fully industrial zone. Control room panel, ID fan, BFD panel or coal feeding panel, bunker. This one are FD and there is a BFD.